Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. This video is very important for those who use WhatsApp on laptops or desktops. Recently we have faced some problem after installing WhatsApp. Here you see, we will run the software now. After installing WhatsApp, when I logged in and click on the app to open it, this pop-up runs. Install WebView2 Runtime from Microsoft. When this comes, we will click Open Microsoft website. After clicking Microsoft Edge, we'll try to open, but sometimes it won't. We will copy the link from here and paste it into Google Chrome. It will open in Google Chrome. From here, we will go down and click on Evergreen Standalone Installer. Then we will click 64-bit and it will be download. After downloading, we will go to the folder and here we will right click on the software and click on Run as Administrator. Click More Info, Run Anyway, and we will install it. Now we will run it and we will finally solve this problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.